Welcome to Honors Geometry Lesson 9.4. We're still in transformations. This bout is rotations. Rotations, transformations that turn a figure about a point. The angle of rotation is the amount of turn, and the center of rotation is the point about which the figure is turned. The direction of rotation can be clockwise or counterclockwise. If no direction is given, assume, and let me underline that, assume that the rotation is counterclockwise if no rotation is given. Yes, this is a nice picture of one of my favorite mammals right there. Okay, let's look at some examples. Rotate segment RS 90 degrees counterclockwise about point C. C is the origin in this case. The easiest way to do multiple of 90 rotations is to turn your paper. So rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, and then note where R and S are. So R prime is right there, and S prime is right there with a 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation. Okay? How about 180 degree turn or rotation about point C? Why did I not write clockwise or counterclockwise? Well, you see that it doesn't matter which way you rotate it with 180 degrees. Either way, it's going to end up in the same spot. So here is where S prime is, and here is where R prime is. And that would be, wow, I forgot to draw that segment. There it is. R prime S prime with a 180 degree rotation. Alright, now let me clear things up, and we'll do a 270 degrees counterclockwise rotation about point C. Alright, here we go. Rotate segment RS 270 degrees counterclockwise about point C. That's pretty easy. Just rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, because that will be the same result as going 270 degrees counterclockwise. And then go ahead and put in our points. There's R prime, almost landed on S. And there is S prime. And there is RS under a 270 degrees counterclockwise rotation about point C. Alright, so let's review everything we've covered. Reflect this in the x-axis. That would put it right there. A prime would be 4, -2. Reflect it in the y-axis. A prime would be -4, 2. reflected in the line y equals x. Alright, let's see here. That would be right there at 2, 4. Oh, that's 2, 3. How about 2, 4 right there? There, that's it. And if you don't believe me on that one, watch. There's the line y equals x. And look, it's the same distance away on both sides. So A prime would be 2, 4. And then in the line y equals negative x. Okay. That would be right here at negative 2, negative 4. Because y equals negative x is this line right here. Okay, those are reflections. How about rotations? 90 degrees counterclockwise. That would be right there at negative 2, 4. A prime would be at negative 2, 4. 180 degrees counterclockwise. A prime would be at negative 4, negative 2. And a 270 degrees counterclockwise rotation. A prime would be at positive 2, negative 4. There you go. Those are reflections and rotations, a review. This will conclude Honors Geometry 9.4, Rotations.